Mayong adlaw, Cebuanos. I'm Dindo De Jesus of International Krav Maga Federation Philippines. So I'm inviting everyone, lahat ng Cebuano, to attend our seminar. It's called Surviving an Assault. We'll be dealing sa knife attack, frontal, overhead, yung strong na underhand na knife attack, and also gun threat sa likod. So any direction, any hand, left, right attack, two hands, we'll be dealing with that. And I'll be teaching you Krav Maga way. So it will be on July 28 and 29. Very helpful to. So I'm inviting everybody.